guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Purva and I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle and a lot of other videos. So if you're watching me for the first time, welcome to my channel and please do consider subscribing to my channel. That would mean a lot to me and all your support motivates me a lot to make a lot of new and interesting videos for you guys. Today's video we are going to talk about this makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this look and if you like this look, then please do keep on watching this video and I will also link the details of all the products which I use in the description box below. So please don't forget to check the description box. Also please do follow me on Instagram. There is a giveaway going on Instagram, so don't forget to participate in that Instagram giveaway, guys. So do follow me there. Without any further ado, let's go into this video. So I've put this band on my head so that my hairs doesn't fall onto my face, and then we'll start by putting a lip balm onto my lips, which I've already done. And now I'm going to put a good moisturizer on my face. I've already toned my face, and now I'm gonna put this beautiful moisturizer from PAC. This is really good if you're going for a dewy makeup look. So this moisturizer is really nice. I really love this one. So yeah, I'm going to take a good amount of moisturizer onto my hands and then put it onto my face all over. Okay, so I'll allow the moisturizer to soak into my skin for about 30 seconds. So I don't like very matte look, but I like little bit of dewiness into the skin. So next I'm going to use this oil by Indulgio. This is a homegrown brand, guys. Go check this out. This is a beautiful oil and a lot of YouTubers have also spoken about this oil. So go check this oil. This is 24K gold infused beauty oil. This is priced for rupees. I'm not able to see the price over here, but somewhere around 2000, I guess. I think below 2000. So I'm gonna take a little bit of oil, 24K gold infused oil onto my face. And then massage it all over into my skin, or pat down into my skin. And this really changes the entire makeup look, guys. So the final look you will not have that very cakey matte look. This really helps foundation blend well. So definitely go check this out. This oil from Indulgio. I'll leave the link of all the products in the description for you guys. Next I'm going to take this concealer from PAC, and this is their rusty orange shade to color correct my dark circles or patchiness which you would see onto my face. So I'm putting a little bit onto my under eyes, also eyelids, little bits on my spot areas, and that's all. Then we are going to blend this using a brush. So I'm using this PAC brush, which is PAC 002. So I'll use this brush to blend everything. So don't get scared, guys. All this will set down. So don't get scared. And hope you all are taking care of yourself and staying safe in this corona pandemic, and staying inside, not going out, taking masks and all those precautions, which is really very important, guys. Until we have vaccines or some confirmation from government, we need to really take care of this. Okay, we have done color correcting. Up, I'm gonna use this foundation which I am currently using. This is Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation. This is a really good foundation. This is really dewy, and this is liquidy foundation, watery, not that creamy. So highly recommend for you guys who like liquid foundations. And to apply the foundation, I am using this Sigma brush which I recently got from Nykaa. This was a recommendation from Shreya Jain, so I got this to blend my foundation. So I'm taking some on my hands. Okay, this much should be fine, and less is more, guys. Always remember that. You can always build on the product, but don't take more product at a single go. So always remember that. So I'm gonna apply foundation. First I'll place it onto my face, and then we'll start blending it. Don't forget neck, guys. We'll start blending it. So don't forget to also blend your hair lines over here on your forehead. Blends really nicely. This brush is really nice. I heard so much about this brush. I think this is worth all the hype, guys. You must definitely try. This is a bit on the expensive side. Costs for about 2200 or something. So I'm done blending my foundation. You can see how dewy and how glowy my face looks after especially putting that oil, rose gold oil. So yeah, now is the time for some concealer. Favorite, this Maybelline New York. I'm in the shade medium, 25 medium. So I'm using this onto my under eyes to highlight my under eye area and other areas which I want to highlight onto my face. So I'm using this concealer now. Also I'm using it my eyelids to use it as a eyeshadow base. So yeah, I'm using this onto my eyelids as well. I'm gonna use this brush from PAC 286 to again blend my concealer. So yeah, I'm going short strokes and blending my concealer. Also this, when you apply concealer, it acts as a base to your eyeshadow. So it's really good and nice to apply a good amount of concealer onto your eyelids. I have to try using those sponges as well from PAC, like the beauty blender as you call. Blend well. Blending is the key, guys. Blend well. Eyebrows can change the game, guys. You have to do your eyebrows. I have also got these false lashes from PAC again. I have to try using it. I haven't tried it yet. Or ever in my life. I have to try using those lashes. So for eyebrows I'm using this Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil, and really love this product, guys. It's amazing. I don't know which shade I am in. Yeah, this is shade 5. One side is the spoolie and other side is the pencil which you get. So I will start filling my eyebrows now. Yeah, so you can see both the eyebrows are done. I'll just comb the eyebrows once again to give it a final look. So yeah, my eyebrows are done, and now we will move on to eyeshadow, the eye makeup. And now of late I've been obsessing over eye makeup. I bought 4-5 Huda Beauty Obsession palettes. I want to create a lot of looks for you guys, so stay tuned for that. So I'm using this shade right here for the transition. So just blending it to and fro, and with wiper motion I'm using this shade here and creating a crease line. Now I'm using this beautiful palette by PAC. See the gorgeous colors, and this is the Ultimate Shadow Collection shadow palette again, but look at the colors guys, how stunning colors are there. So now I'm gonna take pink color right over here for my eyeshadows again. And PAC eyeshadows are super blendable guys, they are amazing, they are super blendable. I'm gonna take the transition shade to my lower lash line. There's a bit of fallout for the pink color. Right. I'm gonna use this Shiseido eyeliner. This is in the color black. So yeah, this looks fine. Now is the time for some blush and highlighter. So I'm using this Color Bar blush in the shade Coral Craving. I'm using this lovely product from Bobbi Brown, which is the Bronze Highlighter Shimmer, and I'm gonna apply some highlighter. I'm gonna take a fan brush and take some product here right onto my top high points of my face. And yeah, can you see that glow guys? Lastly, I'm gonna end this makeup look by putting a good lip color. This bold lip color, which is called Lady Danger from MAC. Last but not the least, I'm going to take a quick shower in this cute Matte Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus, and this is a very nice fixing spray. So yeah, we'll wait for 2 minutes. Hey guys, so just missed to put mascara, which I have done now. So this is the final look. If you enjoyed this video guys, and if you want to see more tutorials like this, please subscribe to my channel to support me. This gives me a lot of motivation to work harder and bring out a lot of new ideas and videos for you guys. So until we meet next time, stay safe and take good care of yourself. Stay tuned. Bye.